Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to art the boys. This is a requested video from our subscriber, so don't skip this video and subscribe this channel. Today I will art the boys word step by step. If you want to learn this English, please don't skip this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel 5-minute arts and Facebook page 5-minute arts, and don't forget to join our official Facebook group. If you want to get support from us, you have to join in this group. Our Facebook group name is 5-minute arts official group, or check link in the description.